I'm Winston Jenks, the VP Link Product Manager at Cape Software. We make process simulation software that connects to your controller so you can test the logic before it goes online, and also train operators and AI agents how to run your process. As we're based in Houston, by default we serve the oil and gas industry, but our 30-plus year history shows a lot of work in chemicals, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, mining and materials, power generation, and others. We have two other centers outside the U.S., one in the greater London area serving Europe and the Middle East, and one in Australia serving the Asia-Pacific region. The strength of Cape Software are the process-oriented engineers that make up the core of our team and the software we produce. The bulk of the team are chemical engineers that can understand the process simulation requirements from a variety of processes, and the software is very flexible, allowing the engineer to build the simulation necessary for each customer. Our licensing model suits end users as well as system integrators. Our relentless attention to connectivity within the Rockwell ecosphere, the ability to predict trends in simulation, and our small company agility to produce new features and products very quickly is what sets Cape Software apart from others. Our latest focus matches the Rockwell upgrades in control logic simulation and safety. We will be showing VP Link connected to the latest version of FactoryTalk Echo at the Automation Fair in November, as well as connectivity to all the Rockwell safety platforms. Since 2000, we've been automating safety system testing, and we're happy to announce new capabilities with the Rockwell safety systems now, 22 years later. Cape Software has been a solid simulation partner for over 30 years, advancing the simulation capability and connectivity to keep pace with modern trends in control system architecture. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation makes Rockwell products better. For example, our compatibility with Emulate 3D brings process simulation to that offering. Taking advantage of the newest features in FactoryTalk Echo and the SIS Workbench mean that customers can use these great new products in a connected enterprise setting that takes advantage of the Rockwell ecosphere right out of the gate. Our mission is to make you a hero.